Question number 11. Find the equation of a line whose slope is given. First part, slope is given minus 2 by 7, and intercept, y-intercept is given minus 3. And you know the formula. When slope is given and y-intercept is given, y-intercept generally we denote it by c. So formula is what? Equation is what? Y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to minus 2 by 7 is the slope into x plus c is what? Minus 3. I can write y is equal to minus 2x by 7 minus 3, or 7y is equal to minus 2x minus 3, or I can write 2x plus 7y plus 3 is equal to 0. I am taking all at left side. 2x plus 7y plus 3 is equal to 0. Not 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus 7y. 2x plus 7y. 1 minute. I have a mistake here. I didn't take the LCM. So here it will be what? 7 is the LCM. Minus 2x minus here it is 1. So 7 3 is 21 is equal to what? Y. So you can write 7y is equal to minus 2x minus 21, or you can write 2x will come this side negative, so it will be positive, plus 7y plus 21 is equal to 0. 2x plus 7y plus 21 is equal to 0. Second question, second part, this inclination is given, inclination is given 3 pi by 4. Inclination means what? Theta only. That is 3 pi by 4. Or this 3 pi by 4, how will I write? 3 pi by 4, that is what? 3 into 180 upon 4. 4 4 is a 16, 4 5 is a 20. 135 degree. Theta is equal to what? 135 degree. So tan theta is equal to what? Tan 135. How will I find value of tan 135? I know. I can write 135 what? Tan 180 minus 45. Is it clear? Tan 180 minus 45. I know tan 180 minus 45 is what? Tan 135. And tan 180 minus theta is equal to what? Minus tan theta. This is the formula. So I can write minus tan theta in place of theta is tan 45. Minus tan 45 that is what? Minus 1. So tan theta is equal to what? Minus 4, or tan 3 pi by 4. That is what? M is equal to what? Minus 1. Slope is given minus 1, and y-intercept is given what? Y-intercept is given minus 5. So formula will be what? Equation will be what? Y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to minus 1x plus c. So plus minus 5. So minus 5. So y plus x plus 5 is equal to 0. I can write x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a straight line with inclination 3 pi by 4 and y-intercept minus 5. Is it clear? Now question number 12. You can see question number 12. First part, find the equation of the line, intersecting the y-axis at a distance of 2 units. Intersecting the y-axis at a distance of 2 units. It means I can say it is y-intercept. This is what? Y-intercept. At a distance of 2 units above the origin, means y-intercept will be what? Positive 2. That is clear. Means c is equal to what? Positive of 2, because it is above the origin, and making an angle of 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. So m is equal to what? Tan 30 is equal to what? 1 by root 3. So m is given and y-intercept is given. You can find the equation of a straight line with this. So what will be the equation? Y is equal to mx plus c. So it will be what? Y is equal to 1 by root 3x plus 2. or you can write y is equal to root 3 is the LCM, x plus 2 root 3, or you can write root 3y is equal to x plus 2 root 3, or you can write x plus 2 root 3 this side minus root 3y is equal to 0, or you can write x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. X minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. This is first part. Now second part you can see. Find the equation of the line which cuts off intercept 4 on the x-axis. Intercept on x-axis. Which cuts off intercept 4 on the x-axis. Intercept on x-axis is equal to what? And makes an angle of which cuts off intercept 4. That C is given, that D. X-axis intercept of x-intercept, how will we denote? D is equal to what? 4. This is given positive 4 only. And makes an angle of 60 degree, means M is equal to what? Tan 60. It is the acute angle only, so no need to do tan 180 minus theta. So it is what? Root 3. So you can find what is the formula. When intercept on x-axis is given and slope is given, y is equal to M x minus D. This is D, so y is equal to root 3 x minus 4. So y is equal to root 3x minus 4 root 3, or you can write root 3x minus 4 root 3 this side, and this y will come this side, so minus y is equal to 0, or root 3x minus y minus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. Root 3x minus, or you can leave like this only, in this form only, y is equal to M x minus D also. Is it clear? Okay. Now question number 13. You can see question number 13. Find the equations of the bisectors of the angles between the coordinate axes. Find the equation of the bisectors of the angles between the coordinate axes. Is it clear? Find the equation of the straight line passing through the find the equation of the bisectors of the angles between the coordinate axes. This is the coordinate axis. Is it clear? This is the coordinate axis. Now, bisectors of the angles between the bisector of the angles between the coordinate axes. So this line can be, this bisector can be this side. This is a bisector of these two coordinate axes. It can be this side also. It can be this side also, or it can be this side also. In this case, inclination is what? 45 degree. So tan 45 is equal to what? 1, that is slope of this line. This line. Is it clear? So slope is 1. In this case, slope is 1. Let's say in this case, slope M1. This side I am denoting it by M2. So here it will be what? This is what? 45, and this is what? 90. Or you can say this is 90 and this is 45. So that is what? 135 degree. Is it clear? 135 is clear. So tan 135, that is what? Tan 180 minus 45. I can write what? Tan 135. That is what? Tan 180 minus 45, and I know tan 180 minus theta is what? Minus tan theta, so minus tan 45. In this case, slope is minus 1. In this case, slope is 1. In this case, slope is minus 1. Here, 10. This is what? 45, and this is what? 180. So how much? 10? 225. In this case, when it is like this. So 10. This total 180 and this 45. So 10, 225. Is it clear? So 10 or 225 is what? 10, 180 plus theta. 180 plus 45. 10, 180 plus 45. 10, 180 plus theta means what? It is in third quadrant, and you know A, S, T, C. In this quadrant, third quadrant, 180 plus theta, it is in third quadrant, so 10 will be positive. So 10, 45. So here it is what? 1. So slope here it is what? M3 is equal to 1. In this case, here it is what? 180, this is 45. Or you can see what? This is 45, this is also 45. So 360 minus 45, or you can say 350. This is 225. Again 90. So then 315 degrees. 10 315 degree, or you can write what? 10 360 minus 45, and you know 10 360 minus theta. 10 360 minus theta means in what? Fourth quadrant. 360 minus theta. Fourth quadrant. So in this cos will be positive, otherwise everything will be negative. So here is what? 10 360 minus theta is minus 10 theta. So minus. In this case, slope is m4 minus 1. Here m3 is equal to what? 1. Here m2 is equal to what? Minus 1. Here m1 is equal to 1. So in all cases, either slopes are what? Plus minus 1. Is it clear? M is equal to plus minus 1. So the bisector passes through point. This is what? 0, 0, 0. This is origin. If I consider this line, so this bisector passes through this point 0, 0. So one point is what? 0, 0 in this case also. If this is the line, then also it passes through this point origin 0, 0. This also 0, 0. This also 0, 0. So I can consider this point passing, equation of a line passing through this point and slope this. What will you write? Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So y minus y1 is what? 0 is equal to m is what? Plus minus 1 and x minus 0. So you will get what? Y is equal to plus minus x. So y is equal to plus minus x. Once I will take y is equal to plus x. So y minus x is equal to 0. And y is equal to 1. I will take minus x. So y plus x is equal to 0. Is it clear? So x plus y is equal to 0. Y minus x is equal to 0. I can write minus common. X minus y is equal to 0. So x minus y. So one equation is x minus y is equal to 0. Another equation is x plus y is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Now question number 14. Question number 14th, you can see. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 5, 7. Point is given, let's say this point is P, 5, 7. Passing through this point and inclined at 45 degree to x-axis. Theta is equal to what? 45 degrees. So m is equal to what? Tan theta. That is tan 45, and tan 45, you know that is what? 1. Slope is 1, and passing through this point it is given. Okay, first I will find equation of a straight line which passes through this point, and slope theta is equal to what? 45 degrees. So I know the slope. So I know y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1 is the equation. So y minus y1 is what? 7 is equal to m is what? 1. X minus x1 is 5. So y minus 7 is equal to x minus 5. Or I can write y minus 7 minus x plus 5 is equal to 0. Or I can write y minus x minus 7 plus 5, that is minus 2 is equal to 0. Or I can write minus common. So x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Or I can write minus this is equal to 0. So x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now next, in this question only they are asking, if it passes through the point P, if it passes through the point P, separate point is given whose ordinate is equal to minus 7, means y is equal to what? Minus 7. Next they are asking, if this line passes through or ordinate, that is y is equal to minus 7 through the point P. Let's say any point, this line passes through any point P. Here I am taking P only. So next new point, that P, if passes through this P point, this line passes through point P whose ordinate is what? Y is equal to minus 7. What is the abscissa of P? You have to find what is the abscissa of P, means you have to find x. So in this equation I will put y is equal to minus 7. So you will get what? X minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. I will substitute the value minus 7. X minus, at the place of y I am writing minus 7 plus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus minus plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 9 is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? Minus 9. So abscissa is what? Minus 9. Is it clear? x is equal to minus 9. Now question number 15. Question number 15, you can see, find the equation of the line, passing through the point. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, minus 5. 2, minus 5. Point is given, let's say P, that is 2, minus 5. And making an intercept of minus 3 on the y-axis. And making an intercept of minus 3. Intercept on y-axis. It is given what? Minus 3. That is what? Intercept on y-axis, that is denoted by C. So you know the equation, y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to mx plus c. So y-intercept is given only. So now after this I will use this point. When intercept is given, so how will I write? Y is equal to what? Mx. At the place of plus c, I will write plus minus 3. So y is equal to mx minus 3 is the first equation, whose intercept on y-axis is what? Minus 3. Is it clear? Passing the point, first I am making an intercept of minus 3 on the y-axis. Now passing through the point, if this line, first I am finding equation of a straight line whose intercept on y-axis is what? Minus 3. So I got this. I don't know m here. Got the point? I don't know m here. But now they are asking, find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, minus 5. One point is given, P 2, minus 5. Passes through this equation also. Both conditions are there. You have to find the equation of a straight line which passes through this point and making an intercept of minus 3 on the y-axis. But I don't know here m. So directly I am not writing. I am writing equation of a straight line whose intercept on y-axis is given. So y is equal to mx plus c. M is same m only. I am not writing any m. I don't know. So mx plus c I am writing minus 3. So mx minus 3. This is the equation of a straight line whose intercept on y-axis is minus 3. But this line should satisfy this point also. This point should satisfy this line also. So I can substitute. This is what x, this is what y. So I will substitute here P2, minus 5 here. So put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 5 in equation number 1. So you will get what? Minus 5 is equal to m into 2 minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to 2m minus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 is equal to what? 2m. This minus 3 will go this side. So minus 2 is equal to 2m. Or I can say 2m is equal to minus 2, m is equal to what? Minus 1. Minus 2 by 2, that is what? Minus 1. So m you got, that is what? Minus 1. Now you know m is equal to minus 1. Now you got the slope and intercept on y-axis is given, that is minus 3. So you know y is equal to mx minus 3. Directly I can substitute the value. Y is equal to m is what? Minus 1 into x minus 3. So y is equal to minus x minus 3 is equal. So equation will be what? X. And 3 will come this side, so x will be positive, plus y is already positive, and plus 3 will come this side. So x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0 is the equation of a straight line which passes through this point and makes intercept on y-axis, that is minus 3. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you.